everyone, this is Matt with Pentair Pool. I'm here today with Freddie, who is a field application specialist for the Southeast region. We're going to be upgrading existing micro-bright lights using the new IntelliVibe micro lights and 4-output IntelliVibe controller. Let's jump in. It is important to always turn power off at the breaker before installing the IntelliVibe controller to prevent the chance of electrical shock. This installation uses IntelliVibe micro lights exclusively. Each light is installed into an existing 1.5-inch wall return fitting where the original micro-bright lights were installed. Optionally, you can install these lights into an existing glow-bright niche using our micro-bright to glow-bright adapter. We're installing the IntelliVibe controller here at the pad, within range of the homeowner's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This part is critical. IntelliVibe connects through Wi-Fi, so make sure you are in an area with good signal strength before mounting the controller. Once the light is installed, route the wires back to the equipment pad or junction box. Cut off any extra cord, but leave at least 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters of cord in case the light or wall fitting needs to be inspected. The controller includes a separate mounting bracket that makes the installation and removal of the controller simple and convenient. Once the mounting bracket is installed, simply slide the controller onto the bracket. Make sure to push the locking tab down to lock the controller in place. The IntelliVibe controller must be powered by a 300-watt pool light transformer. The controller has a maximum output of 200 watts with a per terminal max of 100 watts. Route 12-gauge wire from the 14 VAC voltage output of the transformer through 1/2-inch electrical conduit and into the IntelliVibe controller. Each output receives 3 wires that provide power and communication from the controller to the lights. These are routed to a junction box where the connections to the lights are completed. The same wiring process applies to the micro, meso, and nano lights. In this setup, we're using all 4 of our physical outputs on the IntelliVibe controller. Each of these outputs is going to control a different group of lights inside the pool. Outputs are wired hardware connections. Zones are digital, configured in software to group and control lighting effects. That's a wrap for this IntelliVibe micro install. We replaced the old lighting setup, wired the controller, and everything is ready for provisioning. In our next video, we'll walk through the Pentair Pool app and show how to onboard the system and configure zones. For more technical training and deep dives, check out Pentair Pool University and our e-learning modules through Pentair Partners. And as always, thank you for choosing Pentair Pool.